In this video, I'll detail how to create passkey on WhatsApp on iPhone. So with your WhatsApp passkey on your iPhone, you can easily log into your WhatsApp account on any other devices using this created passkey. So here, I'll show you how you can easily create a unique passkey for your WhatsApp chat on iPhone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to create passkey on WhatsApp, all you just need to do is click on the WhatsApp application, unlock it by using a password or Face ID, then click on the settings icon at the bottom right. So here, you just need to scroll down and then click on account. Once you click on account, locate passkey and click on that. Then you should see make your next login easier. Tap create passkey on the navigation. Then use Face ID to sign in. Ask for passkey. Will be saved on iCloud keychain and available on all your devices. Go ahead and click on continue if you're using iPhone. Then you can just go ahead to confirm your passcode on your iPhone or Face ID. So then once confirmed, then you should see manage your passkey. Then I've already created my passkey. This will be used to verify your account next. So that is how you can easily create passkey on WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.